Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this M68 portable speaker from MusiBaby to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, and we'll give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. We have the MusiBaby M68 user manual. Got the speaker. Information from MusiBaby. Okay, we also have a USB A to C cable for charging, 3.5 millimeter connectors, so you can plug directly from the speaker to the computer or your sound device, and a little carrying strap. Okay, let's look at the speaker. This is where the carrying strap would feed in. Here in the center you have a on and off switch here. That's also the mode button to select the different functions. You have a plus and minus buttons here for your volume control. Inside this little rubber cover, you have a USB-A and a USB-C connector, as well as the connector for plugging directly into like your computer or device to generate the sound or music. And to charge it, you can use this ASB into ASB and this going to your AC source, power source, or vice versa. This is made of black rubber on the front. You have this kind of mesh around the circumference of the sound device. It appears to be like a speaker here on that side, and on the top I know that is a speaker as well. On the bottom you have a rubber bottom, but you also have an additional rubber ring on the bottom to prevent vibration and from sliding around and things as well. So let's turn it on. Hold the button down. So it is on. You can see the blue light is on there. So let's connect it to Bluetooth through my computer. Let's get some music playing. Okay, I've got the speaker connected to my Bluetooth. Once you turn this on in your computer or whatever device you're going to be playing sound through, you just select MusiBaby-M68 on Bluetooth and it should connect. So I've got it connected. I'm just going to play random music through my MacBook Pro that I've created, some tracks. There's plus and minus buttons here. You can just increase the volume by pressing. So you have the speaker on the left side, and if you look on the very top, you can feel sound vibration. So your sound's coming from both the top and the side. Turn the volume up. This is not all the way, but it is pretty loud. You can hold the plus or minus button down for about 3 seconds and it'll go to the next song. Hold it down another 2 to 3 seconds. So you can play forward or play in reverse by these buttons here. Let's plug it directly into the computer using the 3.5 millimeter connectors provided. Okay, just open the window here.
Line in mode.
And now it's plugged directly in for my computer. I'm very impressed with this portable speaker made by MusiBaby. The tones of the music and the sound are very good quality. You can hear the bass very, very well. A lot of portable speakers like this the bass is not it's quite as good. I like the fact that you can plug it directly into your iPhone or your computer. You also can answer your iPhone using this speaker. I had my wife call me and I was able to open this up, but I can't demonstrate that to you because I'm using my phone to actually record this video. So this is a great little speaker here made by MusiBaby. So I definitely recommend this portable speaker M68 made by MusiBaby.